The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Grant County in northern Oklahoma until 10:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 9:44 p.m. Central Standard Time, a tornado-producing storm was located just southeast of Jet, moving northeast at 30 miles an hour. People near Nash should take cover now. Expected hazards included a damaging tornado and golf ball-sized hail. Tornadic debris has been confirmed by radar. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Pond Creek and Nash. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a storm shelter, safe room, or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.